Welcome to Tech Trends 2026. I'm so thrilled to talk about the incredible leaks we're seeing in AI filmmaking. Can you believe how much has changed in just a year? In 2025, we were marveling at AI's ability to help with basic editing.
Hey guys, we have a new model which is the avatar model right here. So if you click on that, you can use this model to create tutorials, talking heads, podcasts, whatever you want. Whatever image that you bring in, the system is gonna make the image do something, right? So to start, you can just go into your app right here, your Aurora app. Then you import your shots. For now, we like her, we like Anna. We're gonna report Anna and make her the DNA. We'll create our character profile using Anna as well. Not this one, this one. I like Anna like this. So we're gonna call her Anna. She's a podcast host. So we're just gonna create Anna like this. Now there's another spot that if we're creating scenes, whatever, we add the character reference right here so that you know the character is always consistent. Otherwise, we can also go into edit with Nano Banana. Then if we want, we can just a cinematic data sheet that's gonna create different angles of Anna. Once it generates the images, you will notice that the images have drifted. The look of the images would drift a little bit because we did not add one thing, and guess what thing is? And I'm sure you guessed right, the character DNA. So while it's generating, let's go ahead and add the character DNA. Go to your folder and add Anna back as your character DNA. We're gonna call her Anna. Okay, we're gonna have the contact sheet, and this will be like different camera angles of Anna. All right, if we like what we have, we can go ahead and upscale with character DNA. So this is gonna go through the entire system of shots that we have and upscale all of them. So here we go, different angles, consistent faces. So now I'm gonna save this. Now surprise, if I scroll down, boom, we have all our angles. And you know, sometimes you don't need all the angles. Just because they're there doesn't mean that you need them. But anyway, you have this, and you can prompt the dialogue. So right now we have the character, right? We have the character DNA activated. Dialogue, you can import your dialogue from outside. Or you can open in Chatterbox. You can open your dialogue from here. Now if you want to generate an AI script, you can go here and you can come here and you generate your script, whatever you want, 90 seconds, whatever. You generate that script. Or you can import your script and just copy and paste it here. So let's go ahead and generate a script. Generate a podcast script for new filmmaking technology and the advancement of so we will click again to snap out of it. Click to talk, click again to snap out of it. That's our prompt. So we want this to be a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate this script. Pick any of these guys, any of these characters, right? You can pick any of them, any of these voices. You can pick and generate the script. If you don't like it, pick something else and generate. Or you can clone a voice. So let me just show you a little voice that I have here, Uncle Snoop.
E-Cordy is a reputable, he's a businessman.
I'm just showing you an example of what's possible. So we're gonna generate this script with Uncle Snoop's voice.
Welcome to Film Futures, where
Welcome to Film Futures, where we explore the cutting edge of cinematic innovation. Today we're diving into something truly revolutionary, the rapid advancement of generative AI video models.
Let's use Anya. Let's sample Anya first.
Welcome to Film Futures, where we explore the cutting edge of cinematic innovation. Today, we're diving into something
Alright, so whatever you do, whether you generated the voiceover using Chatterbox or you imported the voiceover from your hard drive or whatever, once you have your audio file here and your avatar is available, avatar image in there and audio file here, whether you uploaded it or created using Chatterbox, all you have to do is generate avatar, then you are going to have a moving avatar. So let's go ahead and do it.
Welcome to Tech Trends 2026. I'm so thrilled to talk about the incredible leaks we're seeing in AI filmmaking. Can you believe how much has changed in just a year? In 2025, we were marveling at AI's ability to help with basic editing, suggesting shots, or generating background elements. It was cool, yes, but often a bit clunky. Fast forward to today, 2026, and it's a whole new ballgame. We're now seeing AI not just assisting, but truly co-creating.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Happy creating, create your avatars. Let's go!